Hey Slot Family, playing a little heart throb here. There's your jackpots. Be nice to see that $121,000 grand. Just gonna line it up there for you. Using a new monopod, so of course, it's a work in progress. There we go. Let's see what we can do. Oh, nothing. Let me actually tilt that up just a hair. There we go. And we're back. Looking for 6 hearts or 3 or more of those moons. There it is. We started this morning, although you don't know because it depends when I edit the videos together, but we started this morning with a $1,000 ticket. We've been down to 400, we've been back up to 1,000, we've been down to 500. Let's see what we can do here. All it takes is one nice color. And I saw the blue go by. Can we land a minor this morning? That's good, a $50 hit. Gotta get one more. Last one. There we go, we're back. Back at it. And we're back at it. 3 shots and a whole lot of shots. Oh, hey! Let me pause, I have to say hello to somebody. And we're back into the bonus. 2 shots, a lot of spots. 1 shot and a lot of spots. And that was the end of that game. But let's see what it adds up to. At least we broke $100. We'll take that. And let's keep it going. Come on, this time let's get 3 moons. Come on, more hearts. Come on, moons. Let's see 5 moons. What will 5 moons turn into? I think the spins are the same. It's just a better initial tag.
Yeah, I do. He does it with his sneakers. She just does big. It's all right. $75.
8 more. Oh, that was a nice one. $250 heart. Looking for that 3rd moon. And we're going to go a little further because I feel like there's one more bonus left in this. Oh, I saw that minor go by for 500.
Good morning. How you guys doing? Doing good. Always good to see you guys. You too. Always want to pay you in 2 minutes, guys. Come on. How you guys doing so far?
There's the lucky charm right there. This one is so
it's here.
Do it.
Thank you.
Oh, it was making the noise, but it didn't happen.
Go chair. Sit next to him.
Come on.
All right, guys. Have fun. Good luck. Have a good day. Thank you so much.
See you later. I know. I love it.
That might be good for a little something. We got the roses across the way. That was good for $40. Back up to 600. We will not go below 500, but let's see if there's one more bonus left in this. There it is. Come on. Nope.
Come on, spaghetti.
We're trying over here. we're back with 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65 start. That's not too bad. Here we go. Can we land a minor for 500? Can we land a major for 5,000? Can we land anything? There it is, we're back. And we're back. 2 shots and a lot of spots. Last one. Are we gonna have a little comeback? And we're back. Just like that. And we're back again. 3 shots, 4 spots. Come on. Last one. See you, Rebecca. Let's watch that add up. All right. 140 doll hairs. Little coin show going. Not bad. Brought us up over 7. So this time, let's not go below 6. And you know what? Let's take 2 shots at $12.50. You never know. As Brooke would say, we've pumped up the machine. Come on, moons. All right, we'll do one more. All right. And now we'll kick it back to $5. You never know. Oh, no. Come on. I think the bonuses are there at the 10-cent level. Can we pull off one more? $11.50. Come on, there it is. 4 of them. What a deal. Here, I'm gonna fist pump myself since up there's, see, I'm fist pumping myself with 3 fists. How'd I do that? That's like magic. So that's a $75 start. There we go.
How about a whole screen of those?
I would love to see a full screen of the multiplying diamonds. I'm gonna hit the button because that takes a while to add up, but full screen coming right now. Come on. Couple games left. That's good. Is that, oh, and it's coin show worthy too. $305 we're up to. That was a $200 line hit. Thank you to those multipliers. And just like that, our ticket's back to $1,000. Well, almost, $973, which means we got to play a little harder. Seems to be the 10-cent level here is where it's paying. You know what? Let's do our trick again. Let's go back to $12.50. Do a few spins. Because you never know. And that'll be the last one. Well, maybe not. One more. Come on, do it now, do it now. One more. Perfect. Now we'll go back. This is what my friend Brooke does. She pumps it up, she calls it. And then the 10 cents seems to hit.
How you doing, boss?
What's happening? How are you? Up and down, but we're kind of back up a little bit right now.
Don't give up, don't give up.
We're trying. Don't go too far. You're going to have to come give me a hand pay in a few minutes.
2 minutes.
And almost. I saw it go by. Can we get one more bonus and end this video since we're probably over 10 minutes now? Had to take a break, so I lost the counter. That was close. We have 8 more spins. Will it happen? Oh, that was close. What a tease. Oh no, another tease. Roughly 5 spins. Right now. Oh, there it is! And we're back with the magic. Just bumping myself there. So we got a couple 20s, we got a 50. That's already looking like over $100. This might be a good one. Show me that blue $500 minor. $10 and we're back. 3 shots with a lot of spots. 2 shots, a lot of spots. Uh-oh, all comes down to this one. And we're back. 3 shots, a lot of spots. See if we can't tighten it up a little bit. Uh-oh, last one. That's all she wrote. Let's see what that adds up to. $145 brings us to $964, not quite 1,000. So let's take a few more spins here. But the bonuses are hitting on that. Wait, you know what though? We have to go back to $12.50. Do a few spins here. And I swear I saw that green major go by for 5,000. Wouldn't matter, his friends would have had a land too. One more at $12.50. Actually, we'll do one more after that. Last one at $12.50. And now we're going to kick it back to 10 cents. And now the bonus is going to happen. There we go, $9. And again, I lost track of the timer because I had to take a little break in there, but I think we're at like 15 minutes, so I'm going to end this in 1 minute, even though I've said that already. Just love to see one more bonus. Good for $1. Bring your friends. Getting close. Somehow I think it's going to definitely bonus us before we get to 800. It's not going to allow me to go below 800. But if it does, that's where we're stopping. 4 more. 3 more. 2 more. And this is it. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, I had to bring you back in. It's a good bonus. So let's see what we end up with here. But there's already 100 on the board. A 20, a 20, a 15. And a 50. Let's see if we can't get that blue minor. $500 if we do. Minor for 500. Let's just zoom in on that. That was pretty amazing. You call it, and you get it. So, since that seems to be working, I'm going to see if we can't get that major for 5,000. That would just be amazing. Oh, we got 3 shots at 2 spots. This could be epic. 2 shots, 2 spots. Uh-oh. It just got real. When keeping it real goes too far, 3 shots, 1 spot. 2 shots, 1 spot. Last one. And with that, we're gonna watch it add up, but that should be pretty. Yeah, buddy. Not quite a handy, but we'll take 770 all day. So, just when you thought that video was over, we got the music, we got the coin show. And we'll have to do 1 or 2 more spins. That $1,000 ticket we started with is now at $13.50. 10 cents. Oh, Brookie, nice. Did you have to outdo me? Brookie's over there with a $1,000 37 hit. I guess all in all, it's been a pretty good morning. You know what though? We definitely need to go back to $12.50 for a second. $12.50 a spin. We'll do a couple here to pump it back up. And you never know, you could always land the bonus too, and then it's a nice bonus. Come on, 3 more. Come on. Oh, what a tease. Now we're being teased on the $12.50 level too. Everybody's ringing over here. I think these machines are on now. Let's put in a little work. Right now all we're doing is pumping it up to go back to the 10 cents. Love to get the bonus and drop a minor here for $2,500. But 10 cents, $5 is where it's been hitting. We'll do a couple more spins here and then we're going to kick it back. And this should be the last spin here. Nope, I lied. We got 2 more. Here's the last one. Now we kick it back to 10 cents. And we should land something good here in a second. It's the way it's been working. Thought that was it. This is going to turn into a 1-hour video of heart throb. I guess I could do some fast forwarding on the edit. Oh, I thought that was it. It's going to happen though before the 1,000. We're going to get 1 more bonus. This game will not let us leave. Roughly 8 more spins. That's it, we're getting down to the end of it. And we got it. Told you, this game will not let us leave. So we are gonna end it on this bonus. But let's get the bonus going. Come on, multipliers. Full screen of the ×2 diamonds. Or, you know, nothing. Okay, that was an $11 bonus. Nice. Nice. So now we'll finish it down to 1,000. Last one. Okay, last one. That's all she wrote. And I am not coming back. That's the end of the video. Thanks for watching.